The eyes is always torn off. No one had ever seen a living intact specimen until we came upon one with the ROV. These are the lenses of its eyes, the two green spheres. These things up front are olfactory capsules, that's its nose. Now, by observing this animal in situ, we saw that it can rotate the eyes from looking up to looking forward and back up. All of this was a revelation because we had not what the true structure of the animal was, and we didn't know how things worked. So when we came upon it, we started paying attention and learning what we could learn. It had this really tiny mouth. And in fact, when we used to catch them in nets, I couldn't understand why they were structured this way. The eyes were looking up, the mouth was this little tiny poochy thing down here, and there was no way that the mouth was in the field of view of the eyes. How did this animal see to eat? Well, once we were able to observe them in situ, we learned how it all works. We discovered that the stomach contents of these animals, there was a wide range of prey, small fish, crustaceans, gelatinous animals, you name it, a mix of everything down there. But there were always siphonophore tentacles in the stomach, along with everything else. So now we know that these animals feed on the food that siphonophores have captured. So picture one of those long, stringy siphonophores with its tentacles hanging down and loaded up with the smorgasbord of food that is captured. Acropina swims underneath with its eyes looking up and its body facing forward. It swims along underneath until it sees a food item. Then it tilts the body up, steals the food, and tilts back down with the eyes still looking up. Swims along to the next item in the chain. The cowling, canister over the eyes protects those sensitive structures from the stinging cells in the siphonophore tentacles. And it all makes sense once you see it in action and once you see the elements